Obosa, Mingba, Kirikeni Okwein, Ye Kembara, Anewa Ye Biaye, Ingei, Okimu, Messi, Oyi Finji. So today we are doing numbers from 1 to 50. So let's get started. I'm going to blast through the first 10 minutes because we'll start by reviewing what we have done. So Tatarene, the first day, Wayeye, Mena alphabet. Waduko Mena alphabet has 37 letters. So 37 will come to that. 37 is Terefa Messi. That is 3 before 40. So we have 37 letters in the alphabet. And out of the 37 letters, 9 of them are vowels. So we have the 9 vowels. So quickly go through a few of them. At least it's good to know the first few, which is the R, B, B, Ch, D, D. Are the first 6, R, B, B, Ch, D, D. So we talked about that. And then we talked about the vowels R, and then we said after R you have A, so the E sounds like AY. So R, A, and then E as in egg. In the WhatsApp group, somebody was a bit concerned that in the app, the and the A sounded the same. So it's important to know the is like egg, and then you have the I is the normal E sound. So the I is E, and then A for the I with a dot. So it's E, A. So it's R, A, E, A, and then you have the 2 O's. So there are a few examples of the I sounds. And then you have the normal O and the O as in O. And then oops, oo as in you're saying oops, oo, and O. So that is it. R, A, E, A, O, U, O, the 9 vowels. R, A, E, A, O, U, O. So it's called the 9 vowels. And then in lesson 2, we looked at the stress marks, and it's like you have the 9 vowels have their stress marks. All of them have, apart from A, all the others have dots under them or no dots under them. So you have the A, then the stress marks are either falling from left to right, rising from right to left, or they are level. So like here, you have the level mark here. You can see the arrow. And then have all the consonants is 2 of them, the B consonant and the D consonant have dots under them. So we said without a dot is the labial sound ba, 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 while with the dot underneath is the palatal sound. It's as if your tongue is under your palate. So you have the boma and bo. So bo, ma, and bo. Then da, da, and da, bo. So again, the D with the dot underneath is da. Your tongue goes from your palate, the hard palate, da, as against da. So that's how you differentiate the stress marks. A, all of them have rising or falling. If it's rising, your tone rises. So like we keep saying, whenever you're going to record a word or a sentence, carefully look at the stress marks, and the stress mark will help you know whether your voice should rise, your voice should fall, or your voice should be level. So check the stress marks first before you do any speaking. So again, looking at the stress marks, so you can see A rising, A falling, A level, E rising, E falling, E level, I rising, I falling, I level, and so on. So those are the 5 R, A, E, O, U. Then apart from A, all the others have dots underneath them again, so you can see the dots underneath. And then for those who don't have the correct keyboard, if you can't put a dot underneath, just put it in front. That would show that that dot should be under. So you have the R, A, E, O, U without the dots, and then the A, O with dots. So rising, falling. So you have without dots, rising, falling, level, with dots, rising, falling, level, and that's it really. So that's then B and D are the consonants that you have stress marks. So once you know them and you know how to voice them, then you're good to go. And what I'd like us to do, try and know at least one word for each of the 37 letters. Try and know at least one word. And there are a few examples there. And then so know at least one word for each of the 37 letters of the Wakrike alphabet. And that would be a good start. And then we have the assignment which we gave, and I think I've shared some of you, about 6 of you tried it, and then you posted your answers, which is fantastic. And I went into a long gospel that is important for all of us to do our best. When we say, Omimiye, when we say do this, Obokoromabia, you will try and do it. So then we went through the few examples. I'll go through them today. Market, square, chiri, tiger, cherry. So you can see the I here has a dot underneath. So it's the A sound and the stress mark is rising. So I say chi, my voice is going up. And then I say cherry. It's my karamaye and kurabe, the second time is coming down. Tariye chi, the stress mark is going up. Re, stress mark is coming down. Tiger. Then next one is Kiri. So you can see Kiri is the E sound. Remember, I is the E sound, Kiri, land. Then Kot, Kere. So Muitebe Kere, Mu Elilenda Kere. So Kere is going down. Who can tell me what this one is? Volunteer for the next one. Someone volunteer. Yes, yeah. Just go ahead.
It's Obiri.
Say again.
Obiri.
Obiri.
Yes.
Obiri. Next Obiri. One.
Obiri.
Yes. Next one. Miabaka, what's this next one?
Obiri.
Fantastic. So it says O is rising, B is rising, Re is falling. So that's smart. Well done, Miabaka. Priye. Next one.
Bo.
Fantastic. Next one, Dango. Next one, Dango.
Bo.
So that's Bo. Is a B without a dot. So it's Bo. Bo. Bo is rising. So it's Bo as against Bo. This is Bo is rising. Okay, next one. Somebody has UNICEF Nigeria.
Ere.
Ere, thank you very much. Next one, Esogene. Esogene, are you there? Belema, what's the next one?
Ere.
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 Sorry, the stress mark is not there. It says Ere, sorry, Ere. So Ere was a former one. You're right, Ere, with a stress mark over the second I coming down. So those are the examples that we gave. And then we said we should try and form 2 to 3 letter words with different stress marks. Okay. So today we're going to go on to do the letters. I think I posted the letters and the pronunciations in the group chat. So I think everybody should be able to go through this with ease. let me start with Abie. Can you unmute yourself, Abie Benabo? Can you take the first one?
Ngay.
Again?
Ngay.
Ngay, that's right. So the E is falling. The N has the wavy mark, and then the I is rising. So it's not Ngay, but Ngay. So your voice goes up, and that's one. And the kanika Boriye. So Ngay and the kanika Boriye. Now, when you're using it in a sentence, when we get to sentences, I won't say, if I'm counting, you will say Ngay when you're counting. But if I say, bring me one bag, I won't say, mu Ngay akpa dekbo. However, mu bore akpa dekibo. Are you with me? When you're counting, you can say Ngay maintere. Like when we're doing obioti, we say Ngay maintere and all that when you're counting. When you're using one in a sentence, most times you say Boriye. In that word one yana, Bori toko, yana. In that ware one yana, Bori ware me wayana. You won't say Ngay ware wa moyana me. No. So Ngay is used for counting. When you're making sentences, the other you say Bori something. Boriye means one thing. So Bori ware, Bori toko. If you say one time, Bori seke, one person, Bori bo, you won't say Ngay bo. So remember, Ngay is when you're counting, but in sentences, you will say Bori something. Okay, Helen, you just joined us. Let me put you on the spot. Next one. What's this? Can I hear you? We still can't hear you. Unmute. In mine.
In mine.
Exactly. So it's the R sound. The A is R sound. And because there's a dot underneath the I's, is the A sound. So in mine. Can you take it again?
In mine.
One more time.
In mine.
Fantastic. Well done. It's all again. We didn't get you the last time. Are you okay now? Okay. What is this one? Again?
Tere.
Fantastic. Tere. So there's a dot underneath. So it's the air sound. I mean, it's really important that we look at the word and we get the stresses right. If there was no dot underneath, Soki, if there was no dot underneath the E's, how would you say this word? If there was no dot underneath the E's, Soki, how would you say this word? Try, just give it a try. There's no dots underneath the E's. How would you say it? Because there are dots, it is tere. But if there are no dots, how would you say it? Anybody? Any offers? Anybody?
Tere.
Exactly, Belema. It's tere because it's the A sound. Remember, the E is the A sound. So the E is the A sound. Without a dot is the A sound. With a dot is the air sound. So 3 is tere in this case. Okay. Auntie Pat, what's this one?
Inane.
Thank you, Auntie. It's 4 inane. Thank you very much. Okay. I'll be back to you. What's this?
Sono.
That's right. So it's 5. So now just say the English word and then so that your brain would fix the two together. So 5 sono. So remember there's a dot underneath and achuku dot. What is dot now? Omie. So it is the O sound. And because the stress mark is rising, is so. And then the second stress mark is also rising. So you say no. So it's so no. Okay. Soki, one more time. What's this?
Sonio.
So new, fantastic. That's correct. So new. Next one, Dimabo.
Sonomi.
Again.
Sonomi.
Okay, Dimabo has said sonomi, but if you look at it, there's a dot underneath the O.
Okay. Sonomi.
So it's sonome.
Sonome.
Sonome. And I think because there should be a dot underneath the E. So it's sonome. Now I'll put here 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. Remember, 5 is sono, right? And then 2 is mine. So sonome is actually 5 and 2. And that's how you get sonome.
Okay.
Sono is like saying
Okay.
sono mine. So it's now sonome.
Okay.
So a lot of the words are like that. So as we make progress, you will see, so you can almost work it out when if you don't remember. So that's it, sonome. Dango, what's this? Dango?
Nine.
Okay, who is that? That be Nonju.
Nine.
Okay, so that's Nine. It's interesting that, you know, the English word is 9, but in Okrika, the letters for 9 stand for 8. So it's Nine. Because is the I without a dot is the E sound, while is the E without a dot is the A sound. So that's if you are saying K-N-N-E-E-N-A-Y, Nine, Nine. So
Okay.
yeah, so it's not 9, but Nine. I don't get the boat is moving. The next one, who am I going to ask? Mebaka.
Esenie.
Fantastic. A say near again is the A sound. So even if it is E, is the A sound. And they're all rising. So it's A is high, say near. So A say near, all rising. Okay, let's continue to make progress. Priya, what's this one?
Oyi.
Oyi.
Again?
Anika. Oyi.
Anekanika.
Ate.
Fantastic. So that's 10. Oyi, Anekanika, ate. Okay. Antipat, what's this one? I gave you the complex one.
Oyi Borie Finji.
Fantastic. So now when you look at it, remember
Oyi
11.
Borie Finji.
Great, that's correct. So if you look at it, Oyi is 10. And then 1 is Boriye. So when you say Oyi, Boriye, Finji, it's 10 and 1. The Finji is, Auntie Vivian, you know why you put Finji at the end? Any idea? Like we say, Oyi, Boriye, Finji, what does it mean? Is it 10 opening 1 or?
I think it's one opening.
1
Borie.
opening 10.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Borie is one, isn't it?
Yes, Borie is
Finji
1.
means open. Yeah.
Finji, yes. So I'm just wondering if there's any other meaning for Finji here.
Maybe
You're
escalation.
on mute. And if you're on mute.
I said I don't know the genesis of
Okay.
it. I don't know the history behind it. Just accepted it as I've always known it.
Yes. So, but the key point is 10 and 1, and a lot of the double digits follow this basic mathematics. So Oyi, Boriye, Finji. Oyi is 10, Boriye is 1, 10 and 1. Okay, we'll go on to the next one. Abie Nunju, back to you. What's this one?
Oyi Mine Finji.
Okay, so it's Oyi, it's Oyi a mine Finji, and the 2 I's are hyphenated, so you can either drag it or say it says Oyi a mine Finji. Can you take it again?
Oyi Mine Finji.
One more time, say it with confidence.
Oyi Mine Finji.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Kurabi in Dakalomi. How many months are there in the year? Kurabi in Dakalomi.
There are 12 months in the year.
Can you say it in Okrika?
No, I can't.
No, that's what you just said.
It's in front of you.
My Finji.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you my finger kalo me o me.
You
So
said it.
that's why I asked the question. So even if you just said, oh, you my finger and said full stop, that's fine. You answered the question.
Oh,
So
okay.
let's ask you now. Kurabe in Dakalo me.
Oye in my Finji.
Oye.
Fantastic. Oh, you can we all say it together?
Say
Oh,
it's not Oye, it's Oye.
Oye.
Oyi in my Finji.
My Finji.
Oyi in my
fantastic. Yes, there's some people that are together. It's a family that is together in a classroom, which was quite nice last week when I saw them. I haven't seen them today. Okay, let's go on. So 13, we'll come to 13. So just to look at this now, so you have the 1 to 12 that we've done so far. So can we all take it together from 1 to 12? As I say 1, you say it in Okrika, and then we'll take it down to 12. 1,
Inge.
2,
In my
3,
terrace.
4,
Inge.
5,
Sono.
Sono,
Sono.
6,
Sono.
7,
Sono.
Sonome,
Sonome.
7,
Mine.
7,
Sonome.
Sonome. The E is slow. Sonome.
Sonome.
Exactly. One more time. 7.
Sonome.
Great. 8.
Mine.
Nine.
Mine.
Remember, I said always look at the stress marks. The E, the stress mark you can see is falling. So Sonome, Nine. Can you say 8? Nine. 9. Esenye. Esenye. 10. Oyi. Fantastic. Oyi anekanika ate. 11. Oyi gboriye finji. Okay, I'm 12.
Oyi my Finji.
Oyi my finji.
My Finji.
Okay, great. So we are making progress. Thank you all so much. So let's go to another person now to do. So 13 is Oyi tere finji. Oyi is 12. Tere. Oyi tere finji. Okay, let me see who's going to. Divine stroke Ebenezer. Who is that? Can you tell me what 13 is? Fantastic. Well done. And then 14, the marble 14.
Oye ine Finji.
Oyi name Finji. Oyi name Finji. The I is falling, so it's not Oyi name, but Oyi name. Oyi name. It's all yeah.
Okay. Oye ine
Exactly.
Finji.
Fantastic. One more time.
Oye ine Finji. Oyi ine
Finji. Fantastic. Great. And then 15 for who's going to volunteer for 15?
J.
J. Fantastic. Say it's not J, but J. Remember, it's all falling. J. Can we all say J? Good. So now it's interesting. I like our language. Our language is very mathematical. So 16 is 24 before 20. That's what 16 is. Inane is 4, right? Fi is 20. So 16 is inane fasi. So that is 4 before 20, or 20 take away 4 will give you 16. Right.
Okay.
So Helen, can you say 16 in inane fasi?
Ineng fasi.
One more time.
Ineng fasi.
Okay, before I bring 17, Belema, can you tell me what 17 is?
Fasi.
Fantastic. And then Divine Stroke Ebenezer, can you tell me what 18 is?
Nine fasi.
Fantastic. And then Abie Nonju, can you tell me what 19 is?
Borie Fasi.
Fantastic. You guys should, maybe I should just close the class here. Right, so 17 is Tere Fasi, 18 is Main Fasi, 19 is Borie Fasi, and 20 is C. Okay, so now let's all do it together from 1 to 20. 1, my 2,
Imai.
3, 4, Inane. So please look at the stress marks. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, Oyigborie Finji. 11. No, I said 11. 12. Oyi my Finji. 13. 14. Oyi inane. It's not Oyi inane. No, Oyi inane Finji is all falling. Don't change your tone. Oyi inane Finji. Okay. 14. Okay. 15. J. Again. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. See, okay, we're going to do a quiz now. Let's see.
Where's the number?
We're going to do a quiz now. Let me see. 1 minute. How do I come?
Hello.
Okay. Right, are we all ready for my quiz?
Yes.
There's some noise in somebody's background. I don't know if it's your background. Can you put yourself on mute? Okay, so we're going to do this quiz. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right. Yes. How many? Oops.
Borie. Oh.
Okay. Sorry. How many?
Borie.
What do you call this? Anybody knows the Okrika name for this? Why aren't you? No, Borie, but make papu. Scissors is papu. So in that papu. Borie papu. Borie means one thing. So you won't say one thing scissors. You say Borie papu. That papu mango mean. Borie papu, right? In that people is tomoni. In that tomoni mango mean.
Okay. Inane. Oh, sorry.
Sonapo. In that tomoni mango mean. Sonatomoni or sonapo. Okay. In that diri mango me. Diri is book. In that diri mango me.
Onyo.
Yes,
Sonomi.
Sonome.
Indadiri, how many books?
Sonomi. Nge imaitere ine sonomi. Sonomi.
No, there are 6 books. This is not a book, is this? It's not a book. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6. So
Oh,
Nadiri
okay.
mango me.
Nge imaitere ine sonomi.
Shonia Diri.
Okay, so they are doing.
In the akpaka, shoe is akpaka. In the akpaka mango me. How many pairs of shoes are here in the akpaka?
Can we count it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
That's the whole idea.
Okay.
The fastest to count. How many pairs?
Sonomi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this 6 or 7? 2, 3, 4. Shona akpaka.
Okay, Shona.
Yes. In that diri, well, this is the other book. The other one was book. This is medicine. In that diri, mango me.
Okay, oh my God. Let's count it.
Faster. In that diri.
Okay, nge imai tere ine sono sonomi esene oyi warrior.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Finji.
Finji.
Yes. Oye finji adiri. In that biki mango me.
Oye.
Oya pony. Pound is pony. So oya pony.
Okay. Oye pony.
Pony, yes. In that biki mango me.
Say.
Sia penny.
Penny.
Sia penny, yes.
Penny.
In that biki mango me.
Oye Warrior Finji.
Oye bari penny finji.
Oye Warrior Penny Finji. Sorry.
In the, I don't even know how to go. I don't know what glass is now. In the glass mango me.
I think it's glass. No, it won't be glass actually.
I'm not sure. No.
Glass.
Look at it again. 10. Actually. Mongo. Auntie Bibia, what's glass cup again? It's not a mongo, is it?
Mongo is mug.
Okay. So what's a glass?
They do say tumbly sometimes.
Tumbly. You can see that we're all learning. See, we're all learning here. So, tumbler me. Naga and a couple me.
Nge imai tere inesan.
Esenia couple. Fantastic. Well done.
This is where we saw Mongo.
In the Ololo, okay. In the Ololo mango me. Ololo is bottle. Lolo. What do you call this now? In the ye mango me. Ine. In the ayo, onion is ayo. In the ayo mango me. Son ayo. Okay. In the flower bar mango me.
Nge imai tere inesan.
Sonome fakba. Mianga in the Imbia Tino me.
Imbia Koto.
Imbia Koto me.
Mbia Oyi ine finji.
Try again.
Oye ine coconut me.
Is it 12 or 14?
It's
12.
So what's 12?
Oyi ine finji.
No, Oye Finji is 14.
Oye imai. Sorry. Oye imai.
Oye my Finji. That's correct. Amanga in the Fiakpa Omi.
Nge imai tere inesan. Oyi sereli.
Oyi Lakao.
Nge imai tere inesan. Nine, sorry.
Okay, look at the without because that 1 or 2.
It's the double one, isn't it?
Yes, that was the deliberate one. So Sonome. Okay, in that Kingi Mango me.
Okay, you might tell it in a song. Sonome.
Again.
Sonio.
Kingi.
Me.
It's 6. There are 6.
Sonia.
Sonia King. Yes, Sonia King. Give me mango me.
Okay, Sonia.
Wow, well done. That's the end of our quiz. Okay. So we have about 20 minutes left. We'll just break into 2 groups and we'll go through from 21 to 50.
Okay.
So we'll just go into 2 groups. And I think just 2 of us teachers here, so we'll go
I haven't got the board, a common board to share though.
Oh, okay, that's all right. Okay, that's fine. Let's just continue. Let's just continue as normal.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go on.
Please, what is auntie in African language?
Well,
okay, Sisi, right? Sisi.
Auntie Bibi, is there any Okrika word for auntie?
We call auntie too now.
Okay, but we can say Sisi as well, isn't it?
No. Titi actually
Sisi?
is actually a little girl.
Yeah, but there's Sisi as well.
I think on the app I'm seeing auntie as
become
Idanu Boraro.
Am I speaking?
Yes, I said I'm seeing auntie on the app, the Okrika app. I think auntie there is Ida Numburaro.
That's descriptive. That is saying
okay.
Numbarara or something like that.
Yes, that's what I saw.
My mother's sister. That's describing what an aunt is, isn't it? That's not saying
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is defining an auntie or what an aunt is. So when we say, we generally still call it's one of those words we borrowed. We will call auntie and we will call sisi. Okay. We commonly call people who are older than us in the family. And you would often find that some people will say big sisi, opu sisi, kala sisi, kala titi, opu titi, and so on and so forth.
Opu titi.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So we're on to number 21. So if you look at this one, it's C. I'll just go through them and then we'll do some practice. So 21 is C, similar to 11 is C, Boriye Finji. So it's the same thing, C, Boriye Finji. 22 is C, Imai Finji. 23, C, Tere Finji. 24, C, Name Finji. So it's only 25 that is C, Son of Finji. With 15, it was J. But with 25, it's C, Son of Finji. Then we go through the same process in name for Soy. So 30 is Soy, 20 is C. So I'll just put everybody on mute for, let me just go through this. How do I mute everyone? Or if you can just put your systems on mute so that we'll just go through the teaching section, then we'll have interaction again. So 26 is Ine Fasoi, 27 Tere Fasoi, Main Fasoi, Inge Fa or Borie Fasoi, then Soi. Then again, we go through the same process, 30 plus 1, Soi Borie Finji, Soi Main Finji, Soi Tere Finji, Soi Ine Finji. I don't know whether they've done this just to confuse us, because with 25, it was C Son of Finji, but with 35 is Son of Macy.
So Son of Finji is also acceptable.
Okay. So Son of Finji is 30 plus 5, or Son of Macy. Now Macy, mine, similar to the other one, is like my mama C. So 2 times 20 is 40. So 36 is Ine Fasoi. Sorry, Ine Macy. That is 4 before 2 times 20.
Or less.
So Ine Macy. And then we go on to Messi, Borie Finji, Messi Imai Finji, Messi Tere Finji, Messi Ine Finji, Son of Messi Oyi Finji. Now this is a mouthful. Messi Oyi Finji is 2 times 20 plus 10, which is 50. So sonofa is 5 before 2 times 20 plus 10. So that's 45. 50 minus 5 is 45. So that's the mathematics. Sonofa mesi oyi finji inenfa. That's 4 before mesi oyi finji. Mesi is 2 times 20. Oyi is 10. So 4 before 2 times 20 plus 10 together. So inenfa mesi oyi finji 47. Just take it gently. Terefa mesi oyi finji. So when I ask you to say it, don't rush it. Just take it easily. 48 is emainfa mesi oyi finji. 49 is ngeifa anekanika gboriefa mesi oyi finji. And then 50 is mesi oyi finji. Now there's a bonus here. 60 is tesi. The te comes from tere. It's like saying terasi, which is 3 times 20, which is 60. I'm going to ask somebody, can anybody guess what 70 is? Can anybody guess what 70 is? Any guess? Anybody? If 60 is Tesi, what is 70? What will 70 be? Fantastic. Tesi Oyi Finji. Exactly. So that is 60 plus 10. Well done. Tesi Oyi Finji. Okay, so let's go from 21 to 50. I just want one person at a time to just take one. So let's go to 21. I'll just call you one after the other. It's all Gene. You are the first. What's 21? It's all Gene. What's 21?
Okay, 21 is Sigborie Finji.
Fantastic. Good effort. Now it's Sigbo because there's a dot underneath the O. So it's Sigborie Finji. Can you take it again?
Sigborie Finji.
Excellent. Dango, your next was 22. Yes.
22 is C in my finji.
Okay, C, you see the I, the stress mark is rising. So it's C in mine finji. C in mine
C in my finji.
Great. Mebaka, what's 23?
C Teref Finji.
C Teref Finji.
C Teref Finji. Again?
C Teref Finji.
One more time.
C Teref Finji.
Okay. Abie was 25. Abie Nonju.
C in Finji.
Fantastic. Belama was 25.
C Sana Finji.
One more time.
C Sana Finji.
Fantastic. 26. Priya, have I called you?
Not yet.
All right, go on. 26.
Inefasoi.
One more time.
Inefasoi.
Fantastic. Do you live in Port Harcourt?
I'm in Port Harcourt at the moment.
All right, okay. Abie Benebo. 27.
27. Terefasoi.
One more time.
Terefasoi.
Great. And then 28, Divine Stroke Ebenezer.
Fasoi.
One more time.
Fasoi.
Fantastic. Well done. I wish I was next to you. I would have given you an apple. Okay. Antipart 29. Antipa 29.
Ngeifa.
Aneka.
Boriefa soy.
Yeah, I think the stress marks are wrong here, so it's not your fault. It should be ngeifa. So the stress mark on the A should be falling. And then the boriefa. The A, the stress mark should be falling. So it's ngeifa and Aneka boriefa soy. Can you take that?
Ngeifa. Aneka. Boriefa soy.
Fantastic. Okay. There are some people that have not called yet. Helen, number 30.
Soy.
Again?
Soy.
Okay. Dimabo 31.
Soye Boriye Finji.
Soy.
Okay, let me take it again. Soy Boriye Finji.
Okay, soy Borie Finji. Thank you. Soki 32.
Soy Imai Finji.
Soy Mine Finji.
Soy Imai Finji.
Okay. Dango 33. Oops. Dango 33.
33. Soy Terefinji.
So it's soy tere. So again, that should be rising. So it's soy tere finji. Okay.
Soy Terefinji.
Excellent. That's fine. 34. Amadi Bright 34.
Soy Inefinji.
Soy inane finji.
Soy Inefinji.
One more time. One more time.
Finji.
Okay. That's
Soy
fine.
Inefinji.
All right, that's good. Back to Oso again, number 35.
My daughter said she wants to say it. Her
Please
name
let
is
her
Belema.
say it. Her name is what?
Belema.
Okay, Belema. Belema, let's hear you. 35.
Pharmacy.
Fantastic. Son of pharmacy. One more time.
Son of pharmacy.
Excellent. One more time, Belema.
Son of pharmacy.
Excellent. That's well done. Great. Okay, Helen Abola Lucas 36.
I cannot see.
You can see 36.
Zoom your screen. Zoom your screen.
Can you see where the arrow is? Now guess. If you can't see it, guess what it should be.
You can zoom in on your own screen.
Zoom your screen, you see.
Okay, I'm gonna guess. Soye Sonye.
36. Ine pharmacy.
Okay, -4.
Exactly.
Pharmacy.
One more time.
Pharmacy.
Okay, is there anybody who has not spoken yet? Let me know.
Alright.
All right, B, come and tell me what's 37. That's my brother's name. What's 37? That's it. What's 37, all right, B? What's 37? Terra Pharmacy. Who is speaking? Can you say it loud? Terra Pharmacy.
Alright.
Terra Pharmacy. Again?
Terra Pharmacy.
Okay. Is there anybody else who has not spoken this evening?
I haven't said anything.
Who is that?
It's Alright.
All right, B. Oh dear, forgive me. 38. 38 is here.
Pharmacy.
A mine pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Fantastic. Can you say it again?
Pharmacy.
Well done. 39. Anybody else who's not spoken today?
Yeah, I want to speak, please.
Who is that?
This is Abi Benabo speaking.
Abi Benabo, great. All right. So Ebifuro, number 39.
This one. This one.
Ningi fa kokor.
Boriye fa Messi. Go on. Say Boriye fa.
Gorifa.
Messi.
Messi.
Fantastic. Can you do it again? Boriye fa Messi.
Boriye Messi.
Okay, I want to say it as loud as you can. Boriye fa Messi.
Boriye Messi.
Fantastic. Well done. Is there anybody else who's not spoken today? Anybody else?
Belema.
Belema, let's hear your voice. What's 40? 40 is this one.
Messi.
Messi. Fantastic. One more time.
Messi.
Excellent. Well done. Anybody else who's not spoken today? Right. Let's all do 41 to 50 together. Our time is almost up. So 41 is Messi. One more time. Messi. Boriye Finji. Good. 42.
Messi.
Messi. My Finji. One more time.
Messi.
Beautiful. 43.
Messi.
Good. 44.
Messi.
45. So son of Messi Oyi Finji. One more time. 46. Okay. Inefa Messi Oyi Finji. One more time. 47. 48. Imaifa Messi Oyi Finji. One more time. 49 is Ingeifa and Ekanika. Just say Boriefa Messi Oyi Finji. One more time. And then 50 is honestly, you've done very well. Now our time is almost up. I'm going to ask you 2 questions. Mingba in the ne omena number omena ken bolomabo Mingba in the ne. What's today's date?
20.
Okay.
What just happened?
29 is 30 minus 1. So what is today's date? Fantastic. Mingba Boriefa Soyene. And then Ming that Kalobe will mean
November.
Which is in that column.
Oye Finji.
We're in the 11th month. So thank you all so much. You've done very well. I'm really pleased. So like anything else, it's practice, practice, practice. Just put it to practice, read it, write it, and then speak it. And the more you speak it, like in the house, just do 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and then the more you do it, the better it will be. So I would like you all, if you can, write any number, whether 1 to 10 or 20 to 30, just take any group of 10 and then write it as well as record and share in the group. So thank you all so much. Have a beautiful week ahead. God bless. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
How are you?
Bye.
God, Lord be with you.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.